introduction to Python. In that, we learned about variables, okay, data types, sequences like list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries, right? Do you have any doubts regarding these topics? Okay. Hope you understand all the topics. Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll start today's session. Okay, welcome to Crown Innovative Solutions. This is welcome back to Crown Innovative Solutions. Sorry, this is Nagraj. Okay, and today we'll start about. We'll see the first today's agenda. Okay. In today in this. Wait. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay. Today in this video or in this session, we will see Python condition statements like if statements, if, elif, and else if. Okay. Next we will see loops. In loops we have two loops, for loop and while loop, and also we will see some magic in loops. Okay. Next we will see the core library of Python. It's NumPy. NumPy stands for numerical Python. And next, another library of Python, which is Pandas. Pandas represents sorry. Okay, Pandas represents analyze the data, used for analyzing data. Okay. Next, we'll work on one hands-on machine learning project that is called house price prediction. We have some data. Okay, we'll see in this session. Okay, can we start? Okay, let's start. And also we'll see some introduction to computer vision in this session, like how we'll detect the face, okay, using OpenCV Python. Okay, let's start. Okay, welcome to this session. Sorry. Okay, in Python, if and else, and also elif statements. Okay, what is condition statements? What is condition? Okay, we have in future, we have in house, right? In our house, one main entry. Okay, and then veranda, like all like that. If we close that the main gate, what happens? Okay, like that things goes in. Okay, either he need to wait for some time or he need to call. Like that, some conditions will work in Python also. Let's see some conditions. Like first one, we'll see if condition. Python supports all the usual logical condition from mathematics. For example, equals. In Python, or if condition or elif condition will use double equals to equals matter. Okay. For example, A equals to B. This represents in Python will use double equal sign. Okay. and not equals to, okay, this is the how we use not equal, okay, and lesser than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, okay. These are all mathematical condition, logical condition from mathematics we'll use in Python, okay. And next we'll write some code. We'll write some code, okay. I'll open my Jupyter notebook. Hope you are seeing my screen, right? Screen. Okay. This screen also. Sure. Hope you are seeing my screen, right? Okay. Okay, fine. Now I click new button, new Python 3, because we are using Python 3 version, and I'll click untitled 2. I'll save as workshop 2. Okay, workshop day 2. I'll save it. Okay. First I will create two variable, name of A 30, A equals to 30, and B equals to for example 20. Okay, then I'll create a if statement if A is greater than, I think so, greater than, right? Okay, greater than B, and then I'll use colon. It's called indentation in Python. Okay, next I'll print double quote A is greater than B. Okay, I need to print this one. If this condition is true, A equals to B, then only print A is greater than B. Okay, hope you understand. Then I'll run this shell. For running this shell, I'll use shift plus enter. Okay, yes, this is true, right? Okay, I'll change the condition. A is lesser than B. What will happen? Let's check. Okay, it's not giving any output, right? Because we are not specifying any output, anything in that. Okay, that's why we use else condition. In that condition, we'll use else condition. Or else first we'll see another statement. It's called L if. Okay, L if like A is equals to B. Okay, then only print A is equals to B. Okay, I will run this shell. There is no output because this condition is not also satisfied or false. This statement is false, right? Okay, then I'll write another condition like else print both conditions are false. Okay, now we'll enter both conditions are false. Okay, now I'll write change the condition A greater than B. Okay, now I will run this shell. It will says it will use the A is greater than B. Okay, now I will change the B value of 30. Okay, now I will run this shell. Okay, see, A is equals to B, right? Like this, if condition, if condition, and else conditions are works in condition statements in Python, right? Okay. Do you have any doubts? in this session. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, we'll move to next topic, and this one is only for basic workshop. Okay, we are not explaining all the things in. Okay, I told you this one, and if condition and elif condition, and also we see the what are the conditions, how it works. Okay, and loops. In loops, there are two loops. One is while loop and for loop. If the statement is one condition is true, we'll execute while loop. Okay. First we see execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. I told you with the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. Okay. We'll see how it works. Okay. First, what I done here. First, I initialize the one value in the name of variable I equals to 1 while condition I is less than 6. Okay, indentation print I. In format of I is need to print +1. We need to after printing every one, we need to printing +1, right? Okay. Now we'll work on that thing. First, I'll create a variable in the name of I equals to 1. Okay. Next, while condition, I'll write a one condition. I is less than 6. Then only we'll print the things. It will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay. Print I. Right. Then we'll initialize I equals to plus or equals to 1. Okay. Then we will run this shell. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, I will give this one as 7. We'll run 6. Okay. And I will also 12 like this. Okay. See, like this we will run the shell and we will execute the while statement. Okay. And also we'll see one more now we'll see for loop. What is for loop? Okay. And also we'll see with the break in while loop. Okay. Okay, we'll check condition 2, 6. Okay, here we'll write if okay, print I, then we'll write if I equals to 3, stop. It means we'll add break statement here. Okay. And initialize the things. Okay, see here. What we done? We added one more condition statement. That's if condition statement. In that, after that, we use the break statement. Okay. After break the statement, if I equals to 3, it will break the statement. Then you stop the counting the things. Okay, because we are here we have given 6. I is less than 6. Okay, after that we printed I. Okay, I value. Then we give one more condition, that is I equals to 3. After that we break that thing. After that we started initializing. Okay, like this it will work. Okay, and also we have a continue statement. Like I will write a continue here. How it will work? Execution C, like this. It will give the whole things. Okay, continue. Okay, and now we'll see the for loop. For loop is used to iterating over a sequence. Either it's a list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string, anything. Okay, like that it will work. And for example, this is the And before that, I'll give you one magic, simple magic in for loop. For for loop, okay. For loop, I'll make rows in the name. I'll create a one variables in the name of rows. Okay. After that, I'll apply int casting. Yesterday's video we talk about this. Okay. And just and then I'll add input. Then I'll give you some string statement. Enter number of rows. Okay. Then I'll give for loop. Okay. I in range of rows. Okay. Then I'll give you one more indentation. In Python, indentation is a very important. If we skip that, we give some errors like syntax error like that, or white space error for J in range of I plus 1. Okay, I'm creating some magic in that. Okay, just see print. Okay, actually I forgot my keyboard, and equals to, okay, then I'll print new line. It needs to print new line. And also I forgot indentation here. Okay, print. I print new line. For new line, I use this one. Just one sec. This is our network issue. Oh, why it's not giving output? One sec, right? Okay, I'll use one more. Create one more icon. Okay. Hope you are seeing my screen. Okay. I'll enter some numbers. For example, 4. See, this is how it works. We change to 8. See how it works. And also you can add any numbers. For example, you can add numbers like I plus 1. Here you will print here j plus 1. Okay, and same. Okay, enter. Okay, okay, we'll enter 4 j plus 1. Okay, not j plus 1. One more here I plus 1. Okay, in the range of rows. I in the range of rows for j in range I plus 1. Print j plus 1. Like this it will work. Actually we need to initialize for right. I equals to 1 3 4. I equals to in the range of 4 rows for Okay, like this for loop and while loop, it will work. Okay, it will give you the some, it's iterating some in sequence, right? Do you have any questions regarding this? Like this, any doubts for while loop and for loop? Okay, hope you all are understand. Okay, we'll move to next topic. Like this fruits also. Okay, we'll give one more example. That also for we'll create one tuple fruits equals to like this. First apple, okay, banana and grapes. After that, for I in a range of fruits, okay, indentation, print fruits. Okay, sorry, x, need to print x, right? Fruits, list object cannot enter integer. Not sorry, always in the that magic session. Okay, like this we'll work on for loop. Okay, any doubts? Hope you understand. Okay, after that we'll see numpy. What is numpy? Numpy is a numerical python. It stands for numerical python. Okay, and it's a core library of python for using it will use to work on arrays. And also, yes, we have a sequence, right, in python, like list and tuples, and also we have dictionaries, right? Why do you need this? Because it's faster, right? Numpy is faster than compared to sets, lists, tuples. Because of that reason we use numpy. And also it's also used for linear algebra and numerical computing and Fourier transformation. Lots of things we use in this. Okay, numpy stands for numerical python, and it's the core library for numeric and scientific computing. Okay, and it consists of the multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, multi-dimensional objects. It means I'll show you some examples. Hope you are seeing my screen. Okay, right? If not, please rise. Hope you are seeing my screen, right? Okay, think all are seeing. I will rub this. Okay, cool. Okay, we have sets in our or in your any programming languages, or if you have any programming knowledges, you know about arrays. Okay, right? Like it's a special variable will store multiple data values. For example, we have one variable, for example, in the name of EA. Okay, in that, okay, arrays always saved in this bracket. Okay, I have some values 10, 20, 30, and 40. Like this, we store values, arrays. Okay, This is called arrays. This is one index is 0, this index is 1, and this index is 2, and this index is 3. Like this, right? You heard about arrays, right? Like this, here also, NumPy also, we have some arrays, some array concept, okay? To show that in practically, okay? Before that, we need to import NumPy as NP, okay? Click here, no issues. If you did not install this one, okay, it will give some errors, okay? For installing NumPy, okay, in IDE, you have some ideas, okay, and also you also install NumPy as manually using your command prompt. Open your command prompt, okay. For example, I will open command prompt, okay, anywhere, and type it install NumPy, okay. After click enter, actually I installed my NumPy already. So like this, you will also need to install, okay. After that, I will create one array. For example, I will create in the name of n1, okay. And we are using NumPy arrays, right? For that, we will specify NumPy np dot array. How will save arrays, right? Like this, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. Run and print n1. Here is it is your array, okay. And how we can start or how we can initialize the like this array, okay. We have two types of arrays. One is single dimensional and second one is multi-dimensional, okay. This is our single dimensional array, okay. If I want to multi-dimensional, I will create one more array that's called n2 np dot array, okay. Then for example, I will add 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I will run this, print n2. Okay, this is okay. Sorry, this is also single dimensional. And also, I will create one more. Okay, like 50, 60, 70, 100, 200, or it's too heavy, right? We'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this. Okay, we need to add one more because of we are using multi-dimensional array. Into C. This is 0, this is 1. See, the two channels are here, or two-dimensional arrays. It is called two-dimensional array. This is one array, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one more array. That means it's a two-dimensional array. And also you can create multi-dimensional, 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional, n-dimensional array. Okay. And this is only introduction for that. Okay, we are not giving depth knowledge, just this is for introduction part. Okay, this is multi-dimensional. Okay, and one more topic is that we need to we can initialize the NumPy arrays with a zeros. Okay, how we'll see. Okay, I'll create one variable in the name of n3. Okay, I'll assign the method or a keyword for initializing array with a zeros. It is 0. zeros. Okay, and I will create some what are the channels, rows and columns. Okay, I will need 2 by 3. Okay, we need to give a frame M3. Okay, here 2 columns, 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns and 2 rows. And also you can create, for example, I will create 5C. Also I will add one more column, 4 into 5. Okay, we can initialize some default value is 0 because that's why we are initializing the arrays with zeros. Okay, like that. After that, accessing array items. Okay, I will take this example first. Okay, I'll run this. I need to retrieve one value or 0 indexed value. What will I do? First, I will take my, okay, then I will put index. The value is 10, right? Yesterday also we access the values for tuples set lists, right? So that's also here also we are accessing the arrays in Numpy arrays of data. Okay, and also next we'll access third value of value 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? The value, and also we will access last value using the negative. Okay, okay, this one, and also we'll use like 1, 2, 3. 3 is exclusive here. Okay, 1 means this is your 1 and 2 is here. Here 3 is exclusive. That's why we are getting only 20 and 30. Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Hope you all are understand. And for array type, you'll use a D type. For example, I will use print n1 dot D type. Okay, you will get int 32. Okay, we can create a string also here. N4 equals to np dot array, and we'll create like for example apple comma banana comma grapes. Okay, and print n4 dot D type. It's string, right? That's why it's giving U6. Okay. Next we'll see Numpy arrays with operators. Arrays can also give apply for, you can apply for the some mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, let's see. Before that, I will create one array in the name of n1. Okay, np dot array. I will create one array. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, then I will run this one. For running the particular cell, I'll use choose shift plus enter. Okay, then I will add. First, I will do addition. Every value need to add 2. I'll do 2 value. Okay, see 10 plus 2, 12, 20 plus 2, 22, and 30 plus 2, 32, 40 plus 2, 42, like this. Okay, and also use n1 minus use 10. Okay, it means it will come 10 minus 10, 0, 20 minus 20, 10, 30 minus 10, 20, 40 minus 10, 30, right? And also we'll do n1 I'll run with 2. Okay, it means 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 30 into 2, 60, 40 into 2, 80. You get that type of result. For example, 10 into 20, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 30 into 2, 60, and 40 into 2, 80. Right? And next, we'll see division. Okay, n1 division. Okay, we'll divide by 5. See, 5 divided by 10, 2, 4, 5, 10, and I will show you in here. Okay, here 10 divided by 5, 2, answer 20 divided by 5, this answer is 4, and 30, right? 30 divided by 5 equals to 5, 6, 36. Okay, and also we have one more value, 40 divided by 5 is 8, right? Like this it will work. Okay, well, this is about NumPy. This is the introduction of NumPy. These are some uses, and also we have lots of operation, lots of things in NumPy. Okay, next we'll go. Our next topic is Pandas. Pandas is a library of Python, and it is used for analyzing data. Okay, so also I told you it's a core library used for analyzing data. Okay, it has a functions for analyzing, training, exploring, manipulating of data. There are 2 types in Pandas. One is series, and another one is a data frame. Series is a single dimensional. Okay, and the data frame is multi-dimensional. Okay, we'll see single series in Pandas. Okay, okay. Before that, we need to import the Panda. Okay, so we need to install, right? That's why I'll open my command prompt. In that, pip install, okay, Pandas, because I already installed Pandas. That's why I'm getting like this. Okay, requirement already satisfied. If you want to install Pandas in your system, open command prompt, type pip install Pandas. Okay. Okay. In here, I'll import the Pandas as PD. PD as a short form of Pandas. I'm using like that. You can use anything. PA, PS, like that. Usually, all are using PD. Okay. Run this cell. Okay. After that, I'll create some series, like I'll create one variable. Okay, and I'll store one series into there. Okay, here need to initialize with pd dot series. Series always starts with series. S is capital. Okay, series. Then I'll write some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll run this and I will print this. Okay, see here. These are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the initializer. It is serial number, and this is our values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always index always starts with 0, right? Yesterday also we discussed about that. Okay, and we can create a dictionaries using dictionaries. Also, we can create a series objects in Pandas. Okay, we will see how we will create S2 equals to pd dot series. Okay, here we'll use curly brackets. Okay, a equals to 10 comma b 20 comma c 30, right? So run this and I'll print this. See, this is our values and this is our key values. Key pair values. These are the values, our values. These are our A, B, C are our keys, and 10, 20, 30 are pair values, right? Okay. Next, we'll extracting individual methods. In series, we will extract individual methods also. First, we'll see in S2, I need first index, right? I'll type this. See, here, this is our first value, right? And also, we'll access second value. This is second value, right? And also, you can initialize. See, can get all the things 0 to end. Okay, so 0 to 1. Here 1 is exclusive, guys. In Python, given end value is exclusive. Okay, I'll add 3 or 2. Okay, like this we can access or retrieve our values. Okay, extract our values. Sequence like that I told you, and also you use minus values for extracting values. For example, I told you earlier, -1 means last value, like this. You get this value. You can access end to like this. Okay, 0, 10. Okay. Next, Pandas data frames. And for data frames, okay, I have some values. Okay, I have some data here. Here is my Irish CS, Irish.csv in the format of CSV. I'll import that one. I'll say this one workshop day 2, 1. Okay. Okay. First, create an object data. Okay. In that pd dot, there is a one command in DataFrame or a method or a keyword in here. Read CSV. Okay. After that, I will give a path of the CSV where it is. Okay. I'll give where it is data set. Okay. Name, what is name? Arrays dot CSV. Okay, I'll run this. Okay, and then I will print this. See, This is our value, or this is our CSV. First one is ID, sepal length, sepal width, and these are the things. Okay. If I want to print only 5, okay, first 5 column, first 5 rows, I'll do. There is a function called head. I'll print that one. I'll use that one. I'll click that one. Okay. Here, see. This is the only 5 rows of first 5 rows. Okay. I have one more function called tail. It is used for last 5. See, 145 to 149. And also there is a lots of functions in that. One second. Sorry guys, little bit disturbance. Okay, tail is used for last 5 rows. Okay, next we have lots of things for that in that info. Okay, here see, sepal length, how many columns are there, or how many rows, or how many content is there, and what is the type for that. It will give you that sepal length 150, and it is data type. Its data type is float 64, and sepal width here, sepal width 150, float 64, right? Like this, it will work. And see, species object 150 because it's in word. Okay, string format. Okay, this is how, and also one more is there, describe. See, here you will get the statistics functions or operations like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25%. It 25% means, okay, the value of 38.25, the 25% of this value. Okay, and like that also 50% also 75.50. This values 50% of value. Like this, it will work. See, and also maximum value, count of all IDs, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Okay, and also mean value, standard deviation, okay, standardization, minimum, like that. You'll get all the things using this type. Okay, hope you understand. Okay. Data frame is a 2-dimensional label data structure because here we have a lot of rows and columns. See, the label data, okay, like this. Okay, this how about Pandas will work. Now we'll move to one computer vision. First, we'll see computer vision. In that computer vision, CB in Python, we'll see face detection. Okay, because of time, yesterday we faced some timing issue, right? That's why I write it this early. Okay, then here I will explain you the code. Okay, here this is our code. Before that, I will show you some output for this. Okay. Okay, I think you are not seeing my screen, right? Share. Okay, this is our code for face detection, and also we have lots of things in here. Okay, but today this session we'll see only face detection. Okay, in this session, in this code, our face detection model will first imported CV2, that means computer vision. Okay, and then it will we use it for a media pipe. It will recognize face or values objects. Okay, as empty, and we imported time also. It used for real time. Okay, and then cap we created one variable named of cap, and we started with CV2 with dot video capture. It is the camera of ours. Here, this is my ID. Also, you can add some videos also here. Okay, and my side I don't have videos, so I given my camera ID. Okay, and p time is 0, and one more I created my MP face detection variable. Then I use it for media pipe solution. There is a command solutions face detection. Okay, then I draw some drawing utilities using it's useful for that detecting faces. Okay, and drawing some. Okay, this is face like that. It will use this. Okay, and I use for some while functions, while loops. So, and also that image is stored like in image. That's why I used image as a variable. Then I will create that image. I will convert it to gray image, RGB image. And particularly, we have a BGR, right? Here we use RGB, red, green, blue. Okay. Then the results of these values, first face detection dot process. It will process the face detection values. Okay. Then it will. Then I did that printing that results. Okay. Then I created a box for a face. Okay. What is the height and what is the width and what image shape and what is the color for that box. This is that. Okay, and this is time. See, time means current time. Okay, for time we need to for particular time real time we need to capture real time. Okay, right? That's a FPS. It will the frames per second. Okay, it will calculate by using 1 divided by c time current time minus p time. P time minus means we initialize here. It's 0, right? And p time is always equal to c time. Previous time is equal to always equals to current time. Okay, then we'll capture the image. Okay, and also we added some text here. Okay, how frame per second will see and all the things, and also we added some color for the box. Then we'll show the images. Okay, wait key is always used for like how many your window will wait. Okay, like that it will work. Okay, I will run this value. I will run this code. Face direction. Hope you are seeing our output, right? Hope you are seeing, right? This is how it works. Okay, yes. Like this, if I like this. Okay, okay, this is our face detection basics. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, there is a lot of things here. Okay, we need to work when we are know about the things. Okay, then only we can understand the what are the things here. Okay, right? Okay, I'll close this, stop this. Okay, and next we'll go with one more value, one more project. That's our machine learning project, right? Before that, we will see the what is machine learning. Okay. Okay. What is machine learning? You heard about, right? Machine learning, deep learning, AI applications. Like that, we have machine learning. Machine learning is a process, or it's a subset of AI. Okay. Machines can learn from data or information. Okay. And it will give you the valuable data, or it will give you the, like, machines can learn from data. Okay, and it will give the valuable data or predict the data for predicting or a dashboard, or your model to need to train, like that, without being explicitly programmed. Okay, and there are three types in machine learning. One is supervised machine learning, supervised ML, and second one is unsupervised supervised ML, and third one is reinforcement machine learning. Okay, what is supervised machine learning? Machine can learn from labeled data. Okay, here what happens? For example, here, okay, I have an example, right? Okay, this is our labeled data, sepal length, sepal width. Okay, this is our labeled data. Okay, if it's not here, here labeled data, sepal length, this is called our unlabeled data. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, no problem. Okay, I have a table. Okay, this is serial number, and this is a name. This is age 1, 2, 3, and I have a name of A, B, C, and here 27, 30, and 42. Okay, this is our label data. Name and age are there. These are our labels. Okay, this data is labeled. Okay, machines can learn from label data. Okay, hope you are understand. Okay, next, there are two types in supervised machine learning. One is take one is classification. Sorry. This one. One is classification, and second one is regression. We are creating the model from here, this XGBoost. Okay. What is classification? Classification, it involves predicting discrete values or class. For example, it predicts only male or female, or true or false, like that. In regression, it will predict continuous value, like it will predict like salary of a person, age, and prices like house prices. We have one example, we have one project for on this. Okay, and like this. And what is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised machine learning is machines learn from unlabeled data. What is unlabeled data? We have on table. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This serial number. Okay. We have three tables. This is our name. This is nothing. This is nothing. Okay. A, B, C. There is some values 30, 40, 60. And this is also 40, 35, 78. Like this value. These are called our empty labels, right? Machine learns from this type of data. Okay. This is called unlabeled data. Okay. Machines learn from this type of data. It means machines learn from unlabeled data. So in here, in unsupervised machine learning, there are two types. One is clustering. Okay. And second one is associative. What is clustering? Clustering is based on grouping, right? Grouping in clustering, what basis? Okay. Clustering is the process. It involves to find similar data points. It groups only using involves only similar points. Okay. And associative, it's a relationship. It finds a relationship between two data points, similar data points. Okay. Like this, it will works. Okay. There are lots of things, algorithms here, like KN clustering, hierarchical clustering, DB scan, and like that. And also, there are lots of applications like Netflix, uh, Amazon, YouTube, and also autonomous cars used for this process. Okay, algorithms and also questions also. Okay, any doubts? Hope you understand. Next, we'll move to the our project. Okay, house price prediction. Okay, this is basically comes from regression problem. Before that, how house price prediction? What is house price prediction? Okay, what is a problem statement? Okay, before that, you know how we need to predict the house price. Okay, it's based on population of the on that city population, or what is the minimum income of a person in that particular area, and what are the what is the age of the houses, right? Like that things will use to predict the house prices, right? So here we have some techniques. We added some techniques and all the things. That's why we, before that, let's start with the important, because I write it earlier, because of yesterday we faced some time issue, right? That's why I read it all course. I will explain all the things here itself. Okay. Before the, let's start with importing our libraries. First, I imported our libraries. First, I imported Numpy Arrays. Numpy as a NP. It's used for arrays and numerical computing. And next one is I imported Pandas as a PD. For this is used for analyzing data. Okay, and next user for matplotlib, imported matplotlib.fileplot as a PLT, and import seaborn as SNS. This two is used for Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for visualization, and sklearn also used for visualization also, and data gathering also. Now we are importing our data set from sklearn data set. Okay. Any doubts? Then we imported sklearn dot data set. It is used to visualization also, and also it's used for gathering our data. And next we use it for model selection from sklearn dot model selection, import train set, test and split. This one is used for splitting our data. Okay, splitting and train or testing our data. Okay, next we imported our XGB regressor algorithm. Okay, and we imported sklearn matrix from sklearn. Okay, now we start to we import the Boston house price data set. First, I created a name house price data set equals to sklearn dot data set dot load Boston. This is the value of that. Okay, you can import that like this. Okay, then I printed the values. This is the values. Okay, this is our target value, and this is our feature names, like names of label names like cream zone Indus, like that. Okay, and age of the value houses. Okay, like this, and this is target. Okay, after that we only imported in the format of array, right? Okay, now we converted into pandas. Okay, for that we have one more. We created one more variable, house price data frame equals to pd.dataframe. Okay, house price data set dot data columns equals to, here I am labeling the columns name. Okay, here feature names, here feature names. Okay, next okay, here data columns house price data set dot feature names. Okay, then I printed our first 5 rows. Here this is our first 5 rows. Then I will add one more column. Okay, in the name of price. Okay, house price data frame. Okay, I'll add one more price as a target. Okay, I'll run this value. I need to run everything now. Okay, because see, and then I'll check the shape of the data set. 506 rows and 14 columns. These are 14 columns. Okay, then house price data frame is next. We'll check the missing values. For that, there is a method or a keyword function is null, and for the sum is counting the all the values. By luckily we don't have any missing values in this data frame data set in Boston data set. Okay, there is no missing value. Then I'll make it describe count, mean, standard deviation, like that. Okay, and also I explained all the things in previously. Okay, next we will go to see the correlation between two data values or feature values. What is correlation? Correlation is a you will find the relationship between two variables. It means we have two variables, cream and zone. Okay, this is two variables, right? Okay, so we are finding relationship between in these two variables. There are two types in correlation. One is positive and another one is negative. Okay, Positive means two variables are decreasing at a time. Okay, and negative correlation, like one variable is decreasing and another one variable is increasing. For example, in here, cream variable or cream column, it will increases and Zn is decreasing. Like that, negative correlation is working. Okay. First, I will create one variable and I'll make house my data frame into dot code. Okay. Then I will run this. Okay. Then I will create a heat map for that. Okay. Heat map is used for finding the correlation between data frames. That means feature names. This is our feature names, right? Cream, zone. This is our feature names. Okay. For creating heat map, we use for plot. Plot is a matplotlib. Okay. We imported earlier here. Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for visualization. Okay, data frame. Okay. Heat map, plot, plt.figure, figure size, how much of size you want, you can mention here. Then I use for heat map, I create use for SNS.heatmap correlation. This one I use for correlation, and C-bar is used for color bar. This is our color bar. C-bar means this is our color bar pro. It means I put it here false. Okay, it will not show the color bar, right? True. Okay, and square, the all squares will values in that. Okay, if I put it false, sorry, false. Okay, see, like this it will work. FMT means how many float values. Okay, I put it 1. Okay, 0.60 here, 1.0 float values. How many float values, digit values you need? You need to show here in your heat map. Okay, sorry. Anode means here, this is cream, this is there now. This is your anode. Okay, size of anode is 8. The values, the size of the names, and CMap basically is for color of map is blue. Okay, then we will do splitting the data and target. Okay, for that I use it to separate the price. Okay, we are targeting, right? We are targeting price value, so that I will use two variables. One is x and another one is y. First, we will drop x price column from x variable. Okay, then we will add y, the y variable in price. Okay, first we will drop the value of column from price in that. Okay, we use for x equals to all price data frame dot drop. Drop is a function to dropping or deleting any column or row, and x is 1. If you access 0, it will come, it will delete the rows. Okay, in the name of price. Okay, like this. And now we added, we created new variable y, and we added price. It will split the all data, and x is different and y is different. We printed x and y in the x. Okay, actually we need to run things. Like this. Okay, see here, after tax we have 14. We don't have that. Actually, price is deleted. Price is deleted and stored in y. Okay, this is our price length of 506, and here this is our remaining 13 columns here. See, okay. Next, we will train the models and we will create some variables in the name of x train, x test, and like that. Then we will split the x, y, and test and things. Okay. Then we will check the shape of every train set and test set. Okay. This is our x. Okay. Here we have deleted one variable, that is one column, that's called price. Okay. 506 rows and 13 columns, right? And next, x train, this is 404 and 13. And next one is x test, it's 102 and 13. Okay. Then we will model our data set. Here we'll use for XG booster. Okay. See here, initial time we'll imported our XGAB regressor. Okay. Okay. Then we'll train the model. For the training the model, we use xtrain and ytrain model.fit. It is used for in fitting the data. Okay. And we'll get some models or some boosted things. Okay, here. Then we'll evaluate the what we have done training data. Okay, or predict the or training data. Okay. For that, we'll first we'll accuracy for the prediction and training data. Okay. Training data prediction. First we'll model and predict the external. First we'll predict the training test data set. That is our external, right? And then we'll print our training data. It is in the format of $23,000 and $21,000, like that it will. Okay. Then we'll for XGB, we have two types of errors. We cannot predict in the format of like that. If our errors like R-squared error and mean absolute error, it will accurate. It will give correct values. Then only our model is accurate. Okay. For that, we'll create one more variable. Okay, in the name of score one matrix dot matrix is we imported earlier in the from SQLR here. Okay. Okay. Score matrix dot R2 score. Okay. For R square error, R2 score is the function key, and then y train. Okay, y value we are predicting y train value and training data prediction. This is our training data prediction, right? Okay. After that, we need to find mean absolute error also. In that, for we'll create one more variable score two equals to matrix dot mean absolute error y train and also training data prediction. Here, this is our training data prediction, right? Okay, we'll print the AS code error and mean absolute error. Our output is this. Okay, I'll run the things. Okay. I need to run everything. Then only it will give you the proper output. See, this is our R squared error, and this is our mean absolute error. The almost accurate values, because it's around giving some around 10. It's very high. It's not our accurate model. It's giving almost 0.99. Okay, and here mean absolute error is also good and fine. That's why our model is accurate. For predicting price, we use for a plot visualization. for visualization part, we'll use for matplotlib. Okay, for matplotlib, we imported this. This is our matplotlib for visualization. Like we are creating graphs. For that, we use for that. Okay, for that plt.scatter. We are creating some dot sections and y-train. We need to access the y-train. Okay, and then train data prediction. Okay, these are the two parameters we need to pass. Okay, x value and y value. This is our x value. This is our y value, and we need to predict labels. X label is the actual prices. This is our actual prices, and y label is predicted prices. And the title of this scatter plot is actual price versus predicted price. Okay, this is our predicted price, and this is our actual price. Okay, this is x is our actual price. Means this is a database. In data set we have prices, some prices. Okay, according to that we predicted some prices. Okay, using XGBooster regression. Okay, and to show plt.show is used to give our output like this. Okay, see, this is our output. Okay, see the things, see the dots is very it means very accurate. Okay, that's why our model is accurate. Okay, this is about house price prediction. And yesterday I told you tomorrow also we have some, or we'll do some one thing. Okay, we'll do one video regarding that. We'll upload that one. Okay, you can see in YouTube also. Okay, and also these two videos also we are uploading in YouTube. Okay, you can see there also. And that's it about this today's. Okay, any doubts regarding these topics? Okay, thank you. Hope you understand, right? Okay. That's it for this session. Okay. Thank you for watching. And also we are having online and offline classes. Okay, we are sharing the all details to you guys. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can call me. You can visit our office also. Okay, and we'll share the all details of our courses and all the things. Okay, thank you. Do you have any doubts? Anyone? Okay, thank you. Mm.